Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. Today, we're diving into myFICO.com, a crucial resource for understanding and managing your credit. Navigating the complexities of credit scores can feel overwhelming, but myFICO provides a centralized platform designed to empower you with the knowledge and tools necessary to take control of your financial well-being. myFICO.com is the official consumer website of FICO, the company behind the widely used FICO scores. These scores are utilized by a vast majority of lenders to assess credit risk, making them a critical factor in securing loans, mortgages, and even renting an apartment. Understanding your FICO score is essential for navigating today's financial landscape. The site offers a range of resources, from educational articles explaining the nuances of credit scoring to personalized tools that help you track and improve your score. You can access your FICO scores directly through myFICO.com, providing you with a clear picture of your credit standing. Furthermore, the site offers insights into the factors impacting your score, allowing you to pinpoint areas for improvement and take proactive steps towards building a stronger credit profile. myFICO.com also provides a variety of credit monitoring services, alerting you to potential fraud and significant changes in your credit report. This proactive approach to credit management can help you identify and address issues quickly, minimizing potential damage to your credit health. In addition to monitoring, the site offers valuable advice and recommendations for improving your credit score, including personalized tips tailored to your individual credit situation. Beyond just scores, myFICO.com offers a wealth of educational content, breaking down complex credit concepts into easy-to-understand language. This knowledge base empowers consumers to make informed decisions about their finances, from choosing the right credit card to managing existing debt effectively. By understanding how credit works, you can navigate the financial world with confidence and build a secure financial future. By visiting myFICO.com, you're taking a vital step towards financial empowerment. This platform equips you with the information and resources necessary to understand, manage, and ultimately improve your credit. So, be sure to check out myFICO.com and take control of your financial future.